Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share about how to install Joomla 4 in localhost. First of all, we have to download the XAMPP application in our machine. This XAMPP control panel, we have to install it first and then we have to download the Joomla 4 and install it. So first of all, you have to download this XAMPP control panel in your machine. Now I will download the Joomla 4. Here in this Joomla official website, there are many packages. I will download the latest version of Joomla 4. Here are many packages provided. I will download the zip package. I will click on download link. Now it is completed download, so we will go to download folder. Here you can see the downloaded folder, zip folder. I will copy this folder and I will go to localhost C, XAMPP and htdocs. Here I will create a new folder. I will give this Joomla 4, and in this folder I will paste that zip file and extract that folder here. It will take some time. Now it is completed extracting. Now we can go to our browser and go to this Joomla 4. In our browser, we have to type localhost/Joomla 4. This localhost means we are opening the folder which is in htdocs folder. Here you can see the htdoc is a and a localhost C XAMPP htdocs. So this saying we are opening this Joomla 4 folder here. Localhost means the direction to htdocs folder, and that htdocs folder we are opening the Joomla 4 folder. If I click on enter, here you can see the Joomla installer page. Now we have to fill some fields. Here we can select languages and enter the name of your Joomla site. If you have your site name, you can enter. As for me now, I will write only, for example, my Joomla 4 site, and I will click on setup login data, and here it is asking for the real name of super user. That means we have to enter our name. In my case, I will add this. I have also added password. The password must be strong password. It needs at least 12 characters, and it has numbers. It has to be numbers and letters, and to be strong password. After filling this page, I will click on set up my database, and here we have to set up our database to connect our Joomla 4. So first I have to create a database in here in this local PHP myadmin. I will create a database Joomla 4 DB. I will give this name and click on create. After creating database, we have to go to the previous page and fill the data. Here my database type is MySQLi, and I am working on localhost. It is now localhost, and it is asking for username. In my case, the username is root in my database, and I didn't give any password, so I will leave blank for this. And here I have to fill the database name that I created previously, and it is saying the table prefix for this Joomla 4 project will start with this text. This means the table names in all this Joomla project will start with this name. After we install this Joomla 4, the table name will start with this text. And now after filling this, I will click on install Joomla. It will take some time. Okay, now the installation is finished and our Joomla site is ready. Here you can see, here you can open as administrator, open site. If I click on open administrator, here we have to add our username and password that we created previously when installing. I will type the data. I have filled the username and password, and I click on login. Now you can see our dashboard, Joomla 4 dashboard. Now we can create our custom pages and manage our Joomla site. If we go this database and if I click on refresh, here you can see many tables created by Joomla 4, started with the previous text I described. Now Joomla 4 is working fine in our machine. Now you can create menus, contacts, etc., like many pages, and create our custom pages with this Joomla 4. So thank you very much for your attention.